Hi everyone! Welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. In this video, I will share with you how to use Feng Shui to attract wealth luck in 2022. There are 4 money locations in your home. Did you know where they are? In this video, I will share with you how to find your money locations in your house and boost your wealth luck in 2022. 2022 is the year of the water tiger, and it starts on the 1st of February. If you want to make a fortune this year, you must know where are the money locations in your home. This is a 2022 flying star chart. The number 8 flying star, which governs wealth, will fly to the northeast sector this year. What's so special about the year 2022 is that in the later heaven Bagua, the number in the northeast sector is also number 8. This is why this sector is so important this year, because we have double wealth energy in the same sector. If you can feng shui your northeast sector effectively in 2022, you can double your wealth luck. But first, we need to know how to find your northeast sector in your home. The first step is to stand at the center of your home. Use a compass to measure the directions from the center, and you will be able to find your northeast sector. Make sure you always keep the sector tidy and clean. Do not place large or heavy items in this sector, such as a piano or large closet. If your bathroom or storeroom happen to be in the northeast, then the number 8 wealth star is not very effective this year. There are 3 things you can do to activate and boost your wealth luck in 2022. Number 1. Place an aquarium or water fountain in the northeast sector. The number 8 wealth star likes water and movements. In Feng Shui, water symbolizes money. By placing an aquarium or water fountain in the northeast sector in 2022 can greatly boost your wealth luck. If your northeast sector is your front entrance, that is very good because the money energy can enter your home through the front entrance. However, if your northeast sector is your bedroom or bathroom or kitchen, then do not place an aquarium or water fountain in this sector. The second method is to place a money symbol in the northeast sector. The money symbol can be a money jar, a yuanbao or golden ingot, or lucky banner. All of these items can help boosting your money energy. Number 3. Open the door or windows in the northeast sector to welcome the wealth energy. This would allow the wealth energy flow into your home through the door or windows. The flow of wealth energy can further stimulate the number 8 wealth star in the northeast sector. Now I will share with you how to find your money corner in your house. The money corner is located in the corner that's diagonally opposite the entry of your living room. The corner has to be formed by 2 solid walls for it to be considered a money corner. If one or both walls are made of glass, such as a glass door or windows, then the money energy could not be collected in the corner. Therefore, there's no money corner in this type of floor layout. If your home has an open floor plan layout, the money corner is located in the corner diagonally opposite the front entrance. The lighting in the money corner should not be too bright or too dark, and make sure the money corner should not be too noisy. Now I will share with you how to feng shui your money corner. First of all, place a yuanbao or money symbol in the money corner to enhance the money energy. Another option is to place a large indoor plant with oval-shaped leaves in the money corner. The shape of the leaves look like yuanbao and can help attracting wealth luck and bring prosperity into your home. Apart from the location of the number 8 flying star and the money corner, don't forget that your house also has its own wealth sector. Like a person, a house also has its own birthday, depending on the year the house was built and its directions. As every house is different, therefore the wealth sector is also different. Now I will show you how to find your house's wealth sector. According to the 3 cycles and 9 periods, We are currently in period 8. That's between 2004 to 2023. Here is an example. This is a flying star chart of a period 8 house that is sitting Zi and facing Wu. We can see that the number 8 wealth star is in the house's south sector. The south sector is the house's wealth sector. If your house is in this direction, you should feng shui the south sector to boost your house's wealth luck. Here's another example. This house was built in period 6. Its directions is also sitting Zi and facing Wu. Because of the different period, the house's flying stars are also different. From this example, we can see that the number 8 wealth star is in the west, so the west sector is this house's wealth sector. Therefore, the owner of this house need to feng shui the west sector in order to boost the wealth energy. The best way to feng shui a house is to combine the annual flying stars and the house's 20-year flying stars. These feng shui methods also apply to business. If you like my video, please like, share, and comment. If you need personalized feng shui analysis of your home or business, please visit my website www.clarazfengshuicafe.com.